Welcome to DIY Creations, your go-to destination for unleashing creativity. Today, let's embark on a journey into the world of artistic expression by exploring the delightful process of carving and painting garden stones. This DIY project promises not only to add a personalized touch to your outdoor space, but also to provide a therapeutic and fulfilling creative experience. To begin this artistic venture, start by selecting the ideal stones for your masterpiece. Look for smooth, flat stones either in your garden or from a local supplier. Ensure these stones are clean and thoroughly dry before commencing the creative process. Now that you have gathered your canvas like stones, it's time to carve out the magic. Don't worry, you don't need a professional sculpture toolkit. Basic carving tool will suffice for this project. Begin by outlining your desired design onto the stone. Whether it's a simple motif, intricate pattern, or perhaps even a representation of nature. As you embark on a carving journey, take it step by step, especially if you are new to this craft. Vary the pressure and depth of your carving to add texture and depth to your chosen design. Once the carving is complete, use a gentle brush to sweep away any residual stone dust, revealing the intricacies of your creation. Now the canvas is prepared and it's time to infuse life with color. Opt for outdoor friendly paints that can withstand the elements. Here, your imagination is your only limit. Choose a palette that resonates with your style. Whether it's a vibrant hues, earthy tones, or a combination of both, let your creativity flow onto the stones. Allow the painted stones to dry completely before proudly placing them in your garden. Consider creating a collection with various designs and colors to evoke a harmonious and vibrant atmosphere. These personalized garden stones not only serve as unique decorations but also stand as a testament to your creativity. Carving and painting garden stones is not just a DIY project, it's an artistic odyssey that transforms ordinary stones into extraordinary pieces of self expression. So, gather your materials, let your creativity blossom, and turn your outdoor space into a gallery of your own making. Happy crafting, and don't forget to subscribe DIY Creations.